This is how to be a travel vlogger in 2022. My name is Laura Reid and I've been travel vlogging for the past 5 years, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my tips and tricks that I have learned along the way. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure to do so, and let's get this vlog started. Step 1 is to find something to film on, whether it be professional camera or just your phone like this. The next step is to find something to film. Filming travel vlogs in your own town is a great way to get started. You not only get used to vlogging, but it's free and won't cost you anything. Being a travel vlogger can get kind of expensive, but as you start to gain a following or are able to offer professional photography or videography services, you can get stuff covered like free accommodation or experiences. And this will really help to keep the cost down and make the trips more affordable. And I do have a free template on my website that you guys can go download right now to start emailing hotels. And a tip for emailing hotels is I would target medium to small sized hotels, because the large ones most likely won't answer unless you have a really big following. The next step is to learn the difference between vlog footage and B-roll footage. When filming B-roll shots, you want to get a combination of far away, close up, and basically anything in your surroundings. And you want to use all these shots to tell a story. So before even filming the vlog, what I'll do is I'll do a rough outline of everything that I want to film and the different points that I want to make. So for example, if you're filming a travel guide, you do want to do research before you get to the place, finding the best places to eat, where to stay, and all the 9 yards. So making sure that your vlogs are providing value so then people want to keep coming back for more. When writing out a storyboard for a vlog, you want to make sure you have a beginning, middle, and end, and always start the beginning with a hook. People normally decide within the first few seconds of your video if they're going to stay and watch it, so you have to have something that grabs their attention. 2 tips I have that are going to make a world of a difference is to buy a tripod and also switch locations between each clips, and this is going to help keep your viewers engaged. Step 4 is to plan everything from the title and thumbnail before you start filming. Using resources like Google Trends, the YouTube search bar, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy is going to help you find really searchable titles. Planning out your thumbnail is a tip that I've heard from so many of the top YouTubers. Someone I know actually spoke to the king of YouTube once, aka Mr. Beast. He has 85 million subscribers and all of his videos get an insane amount of views. And what he said is that he spends 70% of his time doing the thumbnail and title and only 30% of the time filming. So that right there really shows you the importance of doing this, and it's going to make a world of a difference when you're starting out. If you're brand new to YouTube, what I suggest doing is going on to all the top YouTubers' channels in the niche that you want to do and studying their thumbnails and titles, and this might give you inspiration for your own content and see what actually will perform. Because YouTube is such a competitive space now, you do have to have a strategy going into it. And even though I'd like to say that you can just throw up a vlog and hope for the best, when starting out, that's not necessarily going to get you views. You might get lucky and get a viral video, but for the majority of us, that unfortunately doesn't happen right away. YouTube is a lot of fun and so rewarding, but it definitely takes work. So just know that when you're going into it, be prepared to put in that work, and eventually you will see the results. And with the help of SEO, which is search engine optimization, and an attractive thumbnail, your video will start to get views over time. It literally took me years and years to start getting views on my YouTube videos, and even now they fluctuate. They'll go up and down, so you just have to be flexible, but as long as you're doing content that you love, it won't necessarily feel like work. And then the last and final step is going to be to edit all of this content. What I'll do is I'll bring all of my clips into my editing program. I do use Final Cut Pro. When starting out, you can totally use iMovie, which is actually a free program on Macs. I know people who still use iMovie to edit all of their vlogs and they have no problem with it at all. You can also use Adobe Premiere, which a lot of the professional people use. Premiere is really good if you want to have total control over your editing. Whereas Final Cut Pro, because I'm just doing YouTube vlogs and I'm not doing full productions, I really don't need Premiere, but overall Final Cut and Premiere are pretty similar, but they are an investment as well. So start with the free editing program on your computer and go from there. The next thing I want to talk about is music. Now, music really does make or break your vlog in my opinion. I have been using Epidemic sound for basically my whole YouTube career, and they have such an amazing library of music. Everything from cinematic sounds to sound effects to everything in between. And I want to show you guys an example of the difference that music actually makes. So we're going to take the same clip, I'm going to show you guys 2 different soundtracks and you can see the difference. So first up, we have a very dramatic song. And next we have a more fun and fast-paced song. as you can see by using the same clip with 2 different types of music gives you a very different feel to the vlog. So that's why I love to utilize music, and Epidemic has an amazing library of songs. I also have their commercial plan, so I'm able to use it for my freelance clients, which is really nice. And I'm gonna leave a link down below for a 30-day free trial so you can try it out completely free, and hopefully you guys love it as much as I do. So that is it for how to be a travel vlogger in 2022. If you guys haven't subscribed, definitely make sure to do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!